Thousands of people die each year in car accidents. It's the leading cause of death for people under the age of 35. 63% of people killed in these accidents were not wearing a seatbelt. Safety belts can reduce the death rate by 50%. We see people with life-threatening injuries that could have been prevented if only these people had been wearing their seatbelts. For example, there was a tragic death of a man who was driving alone in his truck. He died in a single vehicle collision. He lost control of his truck. The truck turned over and he got thrown out of his truck. Apparently, he was not wearing a seatbelt. Wearing a seatbelt could have probably saved his life. Most people die in car accidents because they are not wearing a seatbelt. Another tragic accident happened in Utah, where the two teenagers sitting in front got injured but survived wearing their seatbelts. The other three teenagers sitting in the back of the vehicle, not wearing a seatbelt, all got killed while their vehicle collided head-on with another vehicle. Wearing a seatbelt can keep you from being thrown out of the vehicle. Some people have excuses not wearing a seatbelt. For example, the seatbelts are uncomfortable or they wrinkle my clothes. In my opinion, I would rather have my clothes wrinkled than being ejected from the vehicle during a crash. Seatbelts are also adjustable to make it more comfortable. Sure, you can be injured even if you wear a seatbelt, but there is a better chance to survive the crash than being killed. According to the laws of physics, if a vehicle is traveling 30 miles per hour, its contents and passengers are also moving 30 miles per hour. If the vehicle suddenly stops at 30 miles per hour, it can mean the difference of life or death to passengers wearing seatbelts. So it is very important to wear your seatbelt and make sure your passengers also wear a seatbelt while driving your car. Please, do yourself a favor, wear your seatbelt and be a survivor. Thank you.